This is the other bank of elevators at La Cabana. These two are OTIS. Let's ride the passengers first. Interesting. Animation with the door. Let's bring it up to 4. I love how it says next stop 4. Let's send you back to the lobby. Not so fast. Red button. These are fun call buttons. That one's made it back to the lobby. This one's come up. Very fast door. 1. There go the doors. 4. Let's go meet the service elevator at 1. Very fast. Here we are, focus. And let's ride the service elevator. I do like that they're on separate call buttons. A white button. Let's bring you up to 4. Had a little trouble leveling there. 1. Notice the tamper resistant fixtures. Very dim indicator. Here we are at the lobby. Focus. Now there was a cat that actually made a run for it. I don't see him now. There's your OTIS logo. Only the service elevator has it for some reason. We will end on 3 because that is the floor I am staying at. Here we are. This one should stay here. Yeah, so let's see if we can get one of the passengers back up. Interesting that these are tamper resistant. Now let's open you back up. get a view of both of them together. There you go. There goes the service, which should stay at 3. There goes the passenger, and it will eventually recall back to 1 and join its partner. Well, that's it.